Before we dive in, if you're ready to transform your life, hit that subscribe button and join our community of growth and motivation. Now let's talk. The difference between where you are and where you want to be, it's mindset. The 1% mindset. It's how you face challenges, how you think under pressure, and the choices you make every single day. We all get 24 hours, just like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and every successful person you admire. The 1% don't waste those hours. They focus. They eliminate distractions. They prioritize their goals. Most people think success is about talent or luck. But here's the truth. It's about consistency. The 1% show up every day, even when it's tough, even when no one's watching, and even when no one believes in them. They know growth happens outside of comfort. If you want something you've never had, you must do something you've never done. Most people want success without sacrifice, but the 1% embrace the struggle. They see challenges as training grounds for strength. Think of a bamboo tree. You water it for years without seeing growth, but then suddenly it shoots up 90 feet in weeks. That's the 1% mindset. Putting in the work, trusting the process, and building a foundation for explosive growth. Success isn't one massive leap. It's the small, consistent actions that compound over time. The 1% focus on habits, routines, and daily discipline. They take responsibility for their lives. They don't wait for the perfect moment or the right opportunity. They create it. They understand failure isn't the end, but a lesson, a step closer to success. So ask yourself, what do you want? What kind of legacy do you want to leave? The 1% have a clear vision. They don't let fear, doubt, or obstacles stand in their way. It's time to stop settling and start stepping up. Embrace the 1% mindset. Take action. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Are you ready? Let's go. Thank you.